learning outcome, do your homework here. So it's important that you research the company and the industry in which the company operates. For this, you can take help of the company website. Then talk about company's work culture. So you should know company's work culture. This information you can get through the website or through your senior friends who are working in this company. Being a part of the company will add value to your career. So you need to highlight that being a part of the company will add value to your career through this answer. And you also need to relate your skills with the company requirement. And you need to talk about company's quality training and relate your career goals with the company. Now pause this video for some time and answer this question. Which is your dream company and why you want to join it? So pause this video for some time and write the answer in your course journal and then resume the video. Welcome back. So the question, why do you want to join our company or organization? Now here's the model answer. Now we have to take a company into consideration to answer this particular question. So here for this particular question, I have taken Infosys. So the answer is like this. I wish to join Infosys because the work culture of Infosys is excellent. The punchline of Infosys, powered by intellect and driven by values, tell us about its value-based culture. Infosys is a global leader in next generation digital services and consulting. Every Infosian is the navigator of their client's digital transformation. It has maximizing shareholder value with good corporate governance, 11.31 billion US dollars revenue, 1,68,000 plus employees trained in design thinking, 60,000 employees trained in new technology areas, make Infosys my dream company to work for. So this could be a possible answer for this particular question, because as I have discussed, I have included the main points like the company's revenue and its work culture and the technology. So this is a guideline. You can of course make some changes according to your requirement and according to the company in question. Why should we hire you? Now this is one more important frequently asked question in a personal interview. To answer this question, you need to analyze the job profile. You also need to correlate your skills with the job requirements. If possible, you need to add your strengths, and you need to answer this question with a very positive attitude. And you need to also talk about your project, summer training, which is connected to this particular job profile. Now here's the model answer. Why should we hire you? So the answer is, I do believe that some other candidates are also eligible for this job. But what differentiates me from other candidates is my passion for excellence. I sincerely believe that my skills match the job requirement. Like other candidates, I have the ability to do this job, but beyond that, I have an additional quality that makes me the very best person for the job, my passion for excellence. Not just giving lip service to excellence, but putting every part of myself for achieving it. Throughout my school and college days, I have tried to excel in all my activities. The success which I have attained in curricular and extracurricular activities is the result of possessing the qualities and skills you are looking for in an employee. So this is one possible answer for the question, why should we hire you? Now the next question, what will you do if you are not selected? Now this is a very important question because it shows your attitude and how you handle failures. So while answering this particular question, you have to be positive. Then you need to tell them that you will work on an area of improvement. You'll analyze what went wrong and accordingly improve upon it. And you can also tell them that you will appear for the campus drive of the next company with more preparation. So this is the model answer for it. For me, failure is not defeat, but delay in success. I will analyze my performance and try to work on the areas of improvement. With a positive attitude, I shall try for next company and not give up. So such answers will definitely tell the interviewer about your attitude and about your personality. So we'll go to the next question now. Which was the most challenging situation in your life? Now, this question also tests your attitude and your fighting spirit. In short, it is a test of your personality. So when you answer this particular question, you need to be true while answering the question. And you also need to tell them why it was challenging, and you need to explain them how did you face it, and how did you overcome it. What did you learn from it is also an important aspect while you answer this particular question. So when you answer, you need to make use of these points to respond to this particular question. So I would suggest you talk about the most challenging situation you faced in your life and how you faced it and what you learned from it. Now the next question is, why have you chosen engineering as your career? Now, as an engineer, it is a very basic question for you. So you need to answer it very nicely. So you need to focus on what motivated you to opt for engineering, or you need to tell them about an incident in your life which made you choose engineering as a career. So here's one answer. My passion for creativity and re-engineering inspired me to opt for engineering. So this is one model answer. Of course, you can add your own details into it and make it something different, because everyone has a different story to tell. The next question, why have you opted for computer science engineering or IT, or why have you opted for electronics engineering or electronics and telecommunication engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering? So these are all specific questions related to your branch. So you need to be very smart while answering these questions. And this particular question is also linked to the previous one. That is, if given a chance to change your branch, which branch would you choose? Now here there's a trap for you. It's better you always stick to the present branch, because you need to tell the interviewer that the present branch is a branch of your choice. So your answer should highlight that you like the present branch by choice. So this is one possible answer. If given a chance, I will still choose mechanical engineering because mechanics is my passion. It is the most versatile branch, and since my childhood, aircraft and automobile have been my passion. So in this way, you are telling them the reason for choosing mechanical engineering, and it is justified as well. So you need to justify your answers. The next question is, tell me about your hobby. Now, hobby is a sign of a balanced personality. It works as a stress buster. So you should relate your hobby to your career and life. Now this is one answer. My hobbies are very much connected to my life. My hobbies are watching war movies and listening songs. Movies inspire me a lot when I feel low or negative and give new ideas to overcome difficulties and problems. Songs work as stress busters for me and fill my heart with happiness. So in this way, you need to tell them that you do have a hobby, because if you tell them that you don't have a hobby, it means that there is some issue with your personality. So having a hobby is a sign of a balanced personality, and please correlate your hobby with your life and career. Which books have you read? This is also one more important question, and it tells how well read you are. So there's a saying, one who reads is one who leads. So one must have interest in reading, and reading self-help books will definitely do the magic, and it will also add value to your personality, and it will definitely give you a lot of confidence to face personal interviews and related questions. Now here is one answer. I have read The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. It is a wonderful book which keeps me inspiring time and again. The famous line from the book, if you desire something earnestly from the bottom of your heart, then the entire universe conspires to give you that thing. So these lines have inspired me a lot. So you can refer to a wonderful book like The Alchemist and talk about what really caught your attention, what you learned from it, and what has inspired you. Now, this question, do you have any questions to ask me? This is normally the very last question, and here you should always be positive and do take initiative to ask certain questions, because if you don't ask a question, that shows a lack of interest as well. So thank the interviewer for this offer and do ask some relevant questions. So you can ask questions on work culture, training, job location, night shift, etc. So here are some possible answers. Answer number 1, what motivates you to work for this company? And answer number 2 is how is the work culture of your company in your opinion?